The Eagles, arguably one of the most successful bands of our lifetime. Want to know what makes their music so engaging to millions of people? I did. So I decided to find out. I know we can't all sing like Glenn Frey or write hit songs like Don Henley, but we can learn what makes their songs work. After hours of listening and research, I discovered something that was, well, unexpected. I noticed there is a common element in most of their hit songs. I'll explain this, and I'll show you how you can use this to take your own guitar playing up to the next level. But first, we need to talk about what actually makes an engaging song. For a song to be engaging to a listener, it needs to move us forward. It does this by creating moments of tension and release. One way to do this is by using chords that have tension and then resolving it to a more stable form. What I discovered is that the Eagles are masters at using something commonly called slash chords to keep their listener engaged. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to show you 3 examples, and I'll show you how you can use this in your own guitar playing. The first example is a slash chord called C/G. You'll find this chord in many Eagles songs, but one good example is in the beginning of the chorus to Lying Eyes. A good way to use this chord is going from a G chord to the C/G and then back again. It provides a kind of a gentle tension and release that's very pleasing. Next comes the D7 sus-G. I know that's a mouthful. Fortunately, it's easier to play than it is to say it. This chord has an even stronger pull to go back to that G chord. In fact, it completes the 3 chords that make up the intro to the song Take It Easy. That makes a great way to practice it. This final chord may be a bit more challenging, but it's well worth it. It's the F/G chord. There are a couple of ways that we can finger it. I prefer to use the pinky for the bass note, but some like to use the thumb. One example of this chord is in the song Best of My Love. It's in the 3rd line of the verse, and they play it right at the end of the verse. Here's an example of how you can put this into a progression. I'm using the C/G chord as well. Those are 3 examples that you can use in your own guitar playing right away. Once you begin using slash chords, it opens up a whole new world. If you'd like to find out more about how slash chords are created and how you can use them, this next video is perfect for you.